Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today I brought new vocabulary words, the four seasons. Before presenting the words, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Seasons, and it's now circled in blue. Look, there's a blue arrow. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, girls, we always read from left to right and up and down. As I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in red, so pay attention. Let's go. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Those are the seasons of the year and the four vocabulary words. There are seasons, four in all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow. Leaves fall down and flowers grow. And again, winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons, four in all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. Very good. So now that we have read the poem, I'm going to present the vocabulary words. I'm going to say the word once, and then I am going to count up to three, as always, like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say the word together. Okay? Let's go. Winter. 1, 2, 3. Winter. Spring. 1, 2, 3. Spring. Summer. 1, 2, 3. Summer. Fall. 1, 2, 3. Fall. Okay, so those were the four seasons of the year. Now that you know them, we're going to read the poem one more time. But this poem has a song, so we're going to sing it. Ready? Let's go. Seasons. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons, four in all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow. Leaves fall down and flowers grow. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons, four in all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. Very good, girls. You did it very, very good. Now I have an activity for you. Remember to have your vocabulary flashcard with you. If you don't have them, you can just say the word, okay? So don't worry about it. I'm going to present a landscape, okay? And that landscape has a season. So you have to raise the vocabulary word that matches the season and also say the word. So for example, if there is a picture of a landscape of the fall, you have to say fall and raise the vocabulary word of the fall, okay? Very good. Let's start. What season is it? It is fall. Very good, girls. Excellent. Now, let's wait for the next landscape. What season is it? Winter. Very good, girls. Excellent. Okay, next season. What season is it? Spring. Excellent. Very good, girls. Let's wait for the next one. Okay, what season is it? Summer. Excellent. Very good. Okay, and this one. What season is it? Winter. Very good. You can see by the clouds that it's cold. And look, people is wearing coats. Look at the trees. They are just branches, not leaves. Very good. Let's see the next landscape. What season is it? Spring. Very good. This garden is full of flowers and the tree has leaves. Very good. It is spring. Okay, what season is in this landscape? Look at the trees, the colors of the trees. What colors are there? It is fall. Very good. The leaves are yellow, orange, and you can also see a little bit of brown. So it is fall. Very good. Okay, and last one. What season is it? Look, this is a girl who is wearing a hat and sunglasses, and she's putting on some sun cream. Okay, so what season? What is it? Summer. Very good, girls. Excellent. You did it great. I hope you like it. Bye bye. A big kiss for everybody.